guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing another PR unboxing haul. I know you guys loved the previous one that I did, which if you haven't seen, I'm going to link it somewhere here. But yeah, you guys really enjoyed it, so I thought I should do another one. This one is not going to be as big as the previous one, but I still thought, you know what, let's just keep up the pace. And yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna do lots of these in the future. It's just so fun and so exciting to receive makeup from all of these amazing brands that believe in me, that think that I'm worthy enough to represent their products. And I'm so thankful to all of these brands that send me all of this PR, and I'm incredibly thankful to all of you that make my dreams come true every single day. And you guys are the reason why I am what I am, and I just want to take a moment to thank you so much for the fact that you watch my videos and your continued support. It means the absolute world to me. Please stay tuned till the end for an exciting giveaway. I'm gonna announce the giveaway towards the end, so if you're excited for the giveaway, please stay tuned. Okay, so I started my previous haul with the Maybelline and Gigi package, but in this haul I received the next part of their collection. So they launched a part of their collection beforehand, but now they have released the entirety of the collection. So this is what the PR box actually looks like. After removing this, you see there are some incredible pictures of Gigi. She looks absolutely beautiful. We have a lovely note from Gigi, and then we have the rest of the collection. So we have primers, we have illuminators, we have 2 layers of the eyeshadow palettes, and yeah, this is what the collection looks like. So let's see the products. Here are the 2 eyeshadow palettes. This one is in the shade Warm and this one is in the shade Cool. The packaging is just so travel friendly. They look quite chic. More eyeshadow palettes. This one again looks a little bit warmer. This one is a little bit cooler, and I think both of them look absolutely stunning. Just look at those colors. Here are a few swatches. You can see the shadows are quite pigmented. They feel really soft and buttery. Then we have 2 tinted primers. This one is in the shade Medium Deep and this one is in the shade Light Medium. I'm super excited to try these out because they sound like a very different kind of concept. I've never heard of a tinted primer before. So this one is the light one. Looks like that. I feel like these would be great for all over bronzing, for mixing in with your foundation, and maybe even to give you a nice tint if the shades match your skin tone. So yeah, those were the 2 primers. Then we have 2 new illuminators. This one is in the shade Gold and this one is in the shade Iridescent. So here you can see this is what they look like. The iridescent one is so pretty. It's kind of like a pink duochrome, and then you can definitely see the gold one as well. So that was the Maybelline and Gigi collection. Thank you so much to Maybelline for sending that. We have a small package from Sigma. They were having their Kabuki brushes campaign and they were kind enough to send me 3 Kabuki brushes. They have a lovely note here, and then we have the 3 Kabuki brushes, which I'm so excited for. This one is the F82 round Kabuki. That is what it looks like. This one is the F84 angled Kabuki. You can see it has a slight angle. And then of course we have the F80 flat Kabuki, which I already have used and I absolutely love it. And I'm so excited to receive another one. This is a cult favorite product from Sigma. So yeah, that is the F80. Thank you so much to Sigma for sending these brushes. Then we have the amazing new NYX In Your Element collection. I was so excited to receive this because I absolutely loved the colors that they had in the Fire one. So they sent me the Fire one. Here is what it looks like. You can see this is an amazing look created by I Love Sarahi. I think that's how you pronounce her name. But yeah, here are the products. This is the eyeshadow palette, and then there are 3 lipsticks. Here is what the eyeshadow palette looks like, and can we just talk about these colors? Oh my god, just look at those colors. They are so beautiful and rich and warm, and they just scream my name. Then we have the In Your Element lipsticks, and I have 3 lipsticks to show you. Here is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the lipstick looks like. It's a magnetic lid. So we have 3 shades of lipstick. This is matte red, we have matte mauve, and we also have glossy black. So we have matte red, which looks like an amazing universally flattering red. We have matte mauve, which looks great for an everyday wear kind of shade. And then we have glossy black. They also sent me this really nice brush cup. It is hollow and you can just stand it on your table and put your brushes in this. I thought this was so cute. Thank you so much to NYX for sending that across. Okay, now moving on to the most exciting package for me. Huda Beauty actually reached out to me because they liked my content on Instagram and they wanted to send me stuff, and I was over the moon, because when a brand like Huda Beauty wants to send you PR, it makes you feel like you're doing something great with your life. And this is a brand that I've actually spent my own money on and bought products from this brand before, and I absolutely loved it. And you guys know how much I love my Huda Beauty lashes and my Huda Beauty rose gold palette. So I was excited when I got products from Huda Beauty. And let me tell you, they spoiled me. So the first product we have is the amazing Desert Dusk palette, and can we just talk about this beautiful packaging? Look at the stunning PR box, you guys. Oh my god. So much thought has gone into designing this PR box. This is the palette, and let me just show you the beautiful sand. Oh my god, in the PR box. Little details like this just make you so excited. So let me show you guys the palette. This is actually what I am wearing on my eyes today. I created the look that I'm wearing today with this eyeshadow palette because I just couldn't wait. It is so beautiful. I knew I needed to put all of this on my eyes today itself. So this is what the palette looks like. This is a pressed glitter. Just look at how beautiful that is. There are two duochromes in this palette. It is just so stunning. The quality is top notch. The packaging is amazing. Look at that. I mean, so much thought has gone into the packaging. It is a stunning palette. We have the amazing 3D highlighter palettes. This one is a new one that she's launched. You can see it says Bronze Sands. So let me show you how amazing this package is as well. So we have the first highlighter palette over here. This is in the shade Bronze Sands. And then we have two more highlighter palettes here. We have Pink Sands and we have Golden Sands. I already have the Golden Sands, which is what I'm wearing on my face today. I really love it. This is the Golden Sands edition. And then we have Pink Sands, which I was so excited to receive as well because I don't have this one. So let me show you what they look like. This one is in the shade Bronze Sands. It is great for people with deeper skin tones. This is going to look so amazing on you. And this one is in the shade Pink Sands, which is great for people with fair skin tones. Just look at both of them. Aren't they just so gorgeous? And then of course we have Golden Sands, which is great for medium skin tones, great for complexions like me. This is the one that I am wearing today. But of course I'm wearing the one that I already have because this is new. And just look at the packaging on these. Oh my god, her packaging is amazing. Then we have lashes from Huda Beauty, and oh my god, Huda Beauty lashes are definitely one of the best lashes I've ever used. I was over the moon when I got these lashes in the mail. So the first ones I have are Jade, and these are the ones that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I hope you can see how beautiful, dramatic and amazing they are. I just couldn't wait, you know, I had to create a Huda Beauty look with all of these amazing products. So I'm wearing Jade on my eyes right now. We have Giselle, which is so fluttery and fabulous. I love the thin band on these because then you won't have to apply liner when you wear these. Look at these. These are already my faves. These are Sasha's, and just how dramatic they are. I love the winged out style. I cannot wait to put these on. I recently wore Farrah for a wedding function and they looked so stunning. So I'm so happy to try out Sasha because they look kind of similar to Farrah, and I absolutely love Farrah. We have Samantha, and I absolutely love how fluttery and flirty these are. Then we have Noelle, which again are super dramatic, something that is right up my alley. And of course I have the Huda Beauty Lash Glue, which I've already used, and this is one of the best lash glues out there. So those were the lashes, and now the last thing from Huda Beauty is actually this giant box. Last but totally not the least, we have so many lip products in this box, you guys. They totally spoiled me. So we have some really cute Huda emojis, Loyalty and Royalty. Look at this, so cute. And then we have the giant box full of lip products. So let me start with the first thing. We have this little contour and strobe lip set. This is in the shade Muse and Angelic. Oh my god, I remember almost buying this when I was in Dubai, but I don't know why I didn't. I got the Warm Browns Obsessions palette instead, but I know I really wanted this because just look at the little minis. They're so cute. This color is just perfect for every day. This is in the shade Muse, so you have a liquid lipstick and a lip contour in the shade Muse, and then you have a lip strobe in the shade Angelic. It is the perfect everyday mauve shade, and I think if you want to try out Huda Beauty products, this little set is definitely the perfect way to try it out because you get amazing travel size products, you get a full size lip contour, and it's just so cute. Okay, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lip contours. So we have Trendsetter, which I'm so excited to try. It looks like a great nude. We have Flirt, which again looks like the perfect brownie nude. We have Muse, which is the perfect everyday mauve. We have Heartbreaker, which looks like a stunning red. We have Spice Girl, which looks like a brownie kind of shade. We have Icon, which I already have and love. And we have Bombshell, which you guys already know is my absolute favorite from Huda Beauty. It is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. And I'm so excited to restock on my Bombshell lip liner because I can never have enough of these. This is my absolute favorite. Okay, then we have 3 lip strobes. This one is in the shade Angelic. We have the travel size and the contour and strobe set. This one is in the shade Moody. And this one is in the shade Enchanting, which actually looks this pink. It's kind of duochromy. It is absolutely beautiful. If you're into glosses, you'll absolutely love this. Now let's move on to the liquid mattes because I have so many of these. So I'm just going to show you all of them. This one is Trendsetter. We have Muse. This is Bombshell, which I already have and I absolutely love it. This is what I have on my lips right now. Heartbreaker. This is a stunning red. I'm so excited to try all of these out because I know that the formula is quite liquidy. It doesn't feel cakey on the lips. It sets matte. It does not move anywhere. They're one of the more comfortable formulas of liquid lipstick to wear. We have Trophy Wife. Icon, which I already have and love. It's a stunning orangey, nudie. It's just a very unique kind of color. We have Flirt, which looks like a stunning brownie nude. Wifey, which looks like a stunning pinky nude. Spice Girl, which is a brown. And Sugar Mama, which is a peachy nude. So those were all of the products from Huda Beauty. Thank you so much to Huda Beauty for sending me all of these amazing products. I'm totally over the moon and I'm super excited to receive them. Hey guys, so apologies for this mess, but I actually wanted to show you another PR package that I got. I actually went to a benefit event, I think day before yesterday, and they gave us this really pretty pencil case. It's not really a pencil case, it's huge, but you know, it looks like a pencil. So let me show you all of the products that are inside. This is really hard to do with one hand. Okay, so we have some Benefit Bowing erasers. The event was for actually a new concealer that Benefit has launched. I think it's a bowing concealer. We have some actual pencils. And we have these really cute heart-shaped paper clips. Oh, we also have these really fun notes. Okay, so let's see the actual products. This is Go-Go Tint. It is supposed to be a watermelon colored tint. I think this is new. So this is like a lip and cheek stain that Benefit has. You know, they have a lot of tints. And this one was just so pretty. So this is what the applicator looks like. And this is the color. It is just so pretty. You can use it on your lips, on your cheeks, you know, get creative. Look, I just wiped it off and it left a stain. Okay, then we have all of the Benefit Bowing concealers. I got all of them in the shade number 2. This is the hydrating concealer. So I think this is the one that has a balm around it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. This is going to be great for those of you that are extremely dry. And especially for under eyes where you don't want to apply any drying concealers. So this is the hydrating concealer. Okay, then this one is the brightening concealer. So this definitely has a peachy kind of tone. Here is what this looks like. It definitely has a peachy undertone. Great for brightening, hence it's called the brightening concealer. Okay, then we have the Industrial Strength Full Coverage Concealer, which I've already used in the past, and I know I really love this one, so I'm so happy to actually have a full size and a new product because I've used this in the past and this is amazing. And compared to the Industrial Strength one, you can see that the brightening one is definitely peachy. Okay, then the last one is the Airbrush Concealer, which is what the launch event was for because this is new. And this is what this looks like. So this is kind of full coverage, but it has more of that airbrush kind of effect on the skin. So I'm assuming it's gonna be like the Industrial Strength one, but have more of a natural satiny feel and look more airbrushed on the skin. So excited to try this out because I've never tried this before and this is new. Okay, thank you so much to Benefit for hooking me up with all of these amazing concealers. I cannot wait to try them out. Now let's move on to the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a few NYX products because you guys are the reason why I am where I am, and I absolutely love you guys and I want to give back to you guys. So there's going to be one winner and I'm going to tell you all of the products that you're going to be getting. You'll get the NYX Shine Killer Primer, which is absolutely amazing. It kind of blurs out your pores and makes your T-zone matte. We have the NYX Wonder Pencil, which is a great pencil for brightening up the waterline. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean, great to use as an eyeshadow base. You can even use this as a liner. We have the Wavy Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Crystal Clear. We have the NYX HD Eyeshadow Base. And we have the Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Apple Crisp. Look at this stunning red shade. So those are the 6 amazing NYX products that the winner is going to be getting. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is of course be subscribed to my channel and have the notifications on so you don't miss out on my videos. I'm gonna announce the winner on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. I'm gonna list the rules in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. For any confusion, please like this video and leave a comment down below to tell me that you're subscribed, you have the notification on and your Instagram ID, because that's where I'm gonna announce the winners. So you have to follow me on Instagram and you have to subscribe to my channel. It's quite simple. The rules are going to be in the description box below, so I hope you check it out and I hope you guys enter the giveaway. I just want to take a moment to thank all of these brands that sent me their amazing products, and I again want to thank you guys for your continued love and support. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.